He can play for any big team you can talk about. So I am supporting Kudus to leave West Ham. But I don't want Kudus to leave to a team that he can't achieve anything at the end. Yes, Kudus being in West Ham and Kudus being in Spurs in terms of achievement, I don't see any difference. For me, I don't see any difference. But Kudus coming to Chelsea, Charlie, he is coming to win trophies. See, Kudus started supporting Chelsea since he was in his mother womb. Kudus started supporting Chelsea since he was his infancy. I was there. Not today, Kudus is Chelsea fan. So when we come to choosing any team, even if they bring Real Madrid, they bring Bayern Munich, any team for Kudus to choose between Chelsea. See, I'm telling you, Kudus is welcoming Chelsea. So for the personal terms, it's not an issue. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, what are we hearing? What is going on, guys, and what is about to happen? Chelsea target Mohammed Kudus to join Spurs. Spurs interested to sign Chelsea target. Guys, I can't see this coming. I can't believe this. Someone should tell me that I am dreaming. This is not just a reality. Because how on earth Spurs signing player over Chelsea? It can't happen. It can't happen. Over our dead body. No. I'm not seeing this coming. Guys, Spurs have Kudus on their list. And information said that Kudus is ready for the move. Mohammed Kudus is ready for the move to Tottenham Hotspur. I'm telling you. Guys, information even said that Kudus is having 85 million release clause for Premier League teams. 120 for Saudi teams. But as we are speaking now, West Ham will accept to take 60 million. If any team brings 60 million, West Ham will accept and let Kudus go. So guys, now it left with Chelsea to act quick and go and sign Mohammed Kudus. Chelsea should act quick, faster, and go and pay the 60 million and bring Kudus to Chelsea. So that next season, we can go and win the fucking Champions League. Next season, we can go and win the fucking Premier League. Guys, Chelsea must work faster. Because see, Kudus has changed an agent. Kudus changed a new agent. That means this summer he wants to leave. He wants a move. And luckily, Spurs is also going to play Champions League football next season. So, Kudus going to Chelsea can happen. It can happen. As I said, he changed agent because of this transfer. So now, what Chelsea can do is that go and pay the money for Mohammed Kudus. If not that, see, if Spurs and West Ham agree on the fee, guys, Kudus will move to Spurs. Kudus will leave to Spurs. I'm telling you, the guy want to leave. And yes, for me, I support him. He is a good player. He need to be playing for one of the big gangs, Champions League, elite football. So I am telling you that if Chelsea doesn't work faster and quickly and go and pay the 60 million for West Ham to bring Mohammed Kudus, if Spurs go and pay the 60 million, Kudus will accept personal terms to join Spurs. I'm telling you. Because I want Kudus to leave West Ham to any of the big teams, because I know how talented he is. He can play for any big team you can talk about. So I am supporting Kudus to leave West Ham. But I don't want Kudus to leave to a team that he can't achieve anything at the end. Yes, Kudus being in West Ham and Kudus being in Spurs in terms of achievement, I don't see any difference. For me, I don't see any difference. But Kudus coming to Chelsea, Charlie, he is coming to win trophies. Kudus is coming to have something big trophies in his CV. So Kudus leaving West Ham, I will support it. I like it because, as I said, I know who is Kudus. I know the guy is talented. He deserves to be playing for one of the big teams. But him going to Spurs is the problem. And our Chelsea is also interested. Have Kudus on our list. So Chelsea should go and sign Kudus. And if it comes down to Kudus choosing Chelsea or choosing Spurs, we all know. At the end, Kudus will choose Chelsea. See, Kudus started supporting Chelsea since he was in his mother womb. Kudus started supporting Chelsea since he was his infancy. I was there. Not today, Kudus is Chelsea fan. So when we come to choosing any team, even if they bring Real Madrid, they bring Bayern Munich, any team for Kudus to choose between Chelsea. See, I'm telling you, Kudus is welcoming Chelsea. So for the personal terms, it's not an issue. Kudus would like to come to Chelsea. But as we all know, the negotiation aspect, Chelsea and West Ham will be the problem. Yes, Chelsea paying the fee, and the information came that Chelsea is still discussing under to see if they can bring another attacker after signing Jamie Gittins and João Pedro. We will come to them again, guys, so please continue watching this video till the end. Yes, their latest just came. So guys, see, Chelsea must act fast. See, all the players that we signed so far, Jamie Gittins, João Pedro, they are not better than Kudus. They are good players, they have the potential, but in reality, experience wise, play football at the highest level, elite level, they are not better than Kudus. I'm telling you, Kudus is up there more than Jamie Gittins and João Pedro. So for me, I think Chelsea should even go and sign Kudus first before signing all Jamie Gittins, João Pedro, all the players that will sign. So even more than Dilap. For Dilap, I will not even talk. Kudus is experienced mile ahead of Dilap. Yes, to be honest, I like Dilap. I want him to give him the goals. I want Dilap to end the Namarankes. But in footballing wise, playing wise, Kudus is up there more than them. So see, no matter how the situation, we must sign Kudus. We must sign Kudus to qualify our attack. Even if we sign Kudus and at the end Chelsea doesn't bring any attacker, I can say that we are good to go. Because now for Osimhen, it's about the wages. And for now, Chelsea is not willing to pay. And Osimhen said he will reduce. So that is holding the deal. So until maybe Chelsea accept to pay or Osimhen also accept to reduce. So whatever it will happen, I will take Osimhen. But as I said, because of the wages difficulties, the wages factor, that is the real. But for now, Kudus is important player. We need Kudus in this our Chelsea team. For me, I am seeing Kudus and Cole Palmer playing together. I told you that already one of my videos that I dreamt and saw Kudus and Cole Palmer playing together. And saw Kudus and Cole Palmer wearing the Chelsea jersey, wearing the Chelsea badge. So no matter how the situation, Kudus must come to Chelsea. So guys, that is the latest from Mohammed Kudus. Now, West Ham is willing to take 60 million. Yes, cut down the price, the 85 million to 60 million. If any team come for the 60 million, and even they want a swapping deal. Yes, whether Keenan Drosboro Hall or Kenechukwu Emeka, and earlier information came that even Sanchez's name is being mentioned at West Ham camp. So West Ham, they want a swapping deal, but the issue is that the players they want, Chelsea don't want to release them. Chelsea don't want to sell them. Be it Sanchez, be it Keenan, or recently Chukwu Emeka. So let's see what will happen next between Chelsea, yes, and West Ham. Whether Chelsea will go and pay the cash or whether Chelsea will accept the swapping deal. So guys, that is the latest from Mohammed Kudus as we are speaking now. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And before we move on to the next topic, please guys, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Guys, let's come to João Pedro. As we are speaking now, João Pedro is in United States. Yes, doing his medicals. Yes, and Chelsea will register him. Information says so. Chelsea will register him to play so that he will be eligible to play the Club World Cup. For Jamie Gittins, his medical concluded, done and dusted from Fabrizio. Today they will finalize the paperwork. Yes, Jamie Gittins and João Pedro. And all these signings, see guys, I want to say something here. They may not be our ideal signings as Chelsea fans. For me, I didn't see this signing coming. What I saw at the beginning is Chelsea signing Osimhen, or even going for Victor Gyökeres, yes, or Kudus. That's what some of us saw, Chelsea fans. So at the end, they went different way, signing different players. And see, guys, we are supporting Chelsea. We are not supporting any player. Yes, for me, and I know you also, all of us, we are supporting Chelsea. If Chelsea bring Osimhen, me, I will be happy, super happy, 100%. I want Chelsea to bring Osimhen because I know who is Osimhen. But at the end of the day, if the deal doesn't happen, it's part of the game. That is football. It doesn't mean that because Chelsea doesn't sign Kudus or Chelsea doesn't sign Osimhen, I should stop supporting Chelsea or I should be annoyed. Or yes, I will be vexed, I will be annoyed as a fan. But some short days, I will forget it and we'll move on. And also, the players they are signing recently, they are not bad players. So, see, Jamie Gittins, João Pedro, they are not like Osimhen, they are not like Kudus, but they are not bad players. They have the room, they have the potential to grow. When Chelsea was signing Cole Palmer, at that time, Kudus was having a better season, a better good footballing career more than Cole Palmer. Go and check. The season, last 2 seasons, Chelsea signed Cole Palmer. Cole Palmer was not that big player at City. He was even hardly getting playing time at City. But when did he join Chelsea? Now see him. Tell me which team Cole Palmer cannot play. Tell me any team. If Cole Palmer go to any team in Europe, he's starting straightforward. But we didn't see this coming. But when he came, he showed it. Caicedo, the same thing. Yes, but look at Caicedo today. Cucurella, Chelsea nearly even loaned him. But now look at Cucurella today. So sometimes we have to be patient and understand that the players are human beings. Yes, see, players, they pick from, they develop, they grow. Ja Pedro can come, see, and even be more than Cole Palmer. And even pick it and play more than Cole Palmer. Jamie Gittins and Cole can come and give us the performance we were never expecting. So as fans, what we should be doing is wishing our team all the best, being optimistic. I'm telling you, see, as I said, me, if you have been watching my videos, I have several videos and gave my reasons upon reasons Chelsea must sign Victor Osimhen. But that is football. It's part of the game. It's about negotiation. It's about agreement. It's about deal. At the end of the day, if things doesn't agree, that is the game. It's part of the game. It doesn't mean that we should say that, okay, our owners, yes, see, our owners, they have a lot of problems. And this is the reason why they have problems. See, the Chelsea we used to know, they came and changed everything. Yes, they are building a young project. For Abramovich Chelsea, our old Chelsea, like, we were not that team going into the market, bringing young players. So we have to adapt. So that is the issue. Our owners, they have problems. Look at all the players they signed so far. At the end of the day, it didn't work. Vega and Co, Chukwu Emeka, even Keenan, Disasi, most of the players they signed at the end of the day, it didn't work. So for them, they have big problems. But it doesn't mean that those signing they are bringing, they are bad, or we should not wish them all the best. For me, I want Chelsea to sign Osimhen, as I said. I want Chelsea to sign Mohammed Kudus, as I said. But at the end of the day, if Chelsea doesn't sign these players, I will not wish Chelsea bad luck. I'm supporting Chelsea. We are supporting Chelsea. We are not supporting any player. And no player is bigger than Chelsea. No player is bigger than any team in this world, not even Chelsea. Even my RTU here, no player is bigger than RTU. Team is a big entity. Team is bigger than any individual. Want to talk of Chelsea. So guys, we have to wish our Chelsea all the best. We have to be optimistic. Yes, Ja Pedro, Jamie Gittins, they are not the ideal signing Chelsea fans we wanted, but let's support them. Let's wish them all the best. Liam Delap and Co. Let's hope they come and give us the goals. As I said, Gonzalo Cole Palmer, Caicedo, Cucurella and Co. Nobody saw it coming, but now they are holding our team. They are handling our team. A game is about to start. If a Chelsea game is about to start, no Cole Palmer, no Cucurella, and no Caicedo, we are dead. All of us will be crying. I'm telling you. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about all this signing Chelsea has done so far. And just to give you this update, Chelsea interested to sign Benfica centre back. Yes, Antonio Silva. Yes, our game against them, he was there. Chelsea is monitoring him. He is a centre back. Yes, Antonio Silva. And information came that Madueke and Jackson, it's possible that Chelsea may sell them. Yes, if Chelsea bring more attackers, Chelsea may listen to offer for Madueke and Nicola Jackson. And Madueke, he is on the list of Arsenal. And Jackson on the list of Juventus and Napoli. So these players, Chelsea consider them that if any high bid come or any reasonable bid come, Chelsea may sell them. So guys, just to give you this update also. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And I'll give you another video about Enzo Maresca. Yes, after Chelsea beating Benfica, he said certain things. This is the video. Please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.